welcome back. So we had a lot of smoke out there as we made our way through the day today. Just a chance of a shower across the region. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures not really going very far. Highs were into the lower 60s, and we are currently at 59 degrees in Scottsbluff. Winds mainly from a northerly or northeasterly direction. They are pretty light out there. And that dew point is 54. Scottsbluff reporting a visibility of only 1 mile as of right now because of all that smoke. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. So we're at 63 at Alliance, Gordon, and Oshkosh with a 59 at Harrison. 53 also at Kimball, Sydney, but a 63 at Torrington. There's your wind from a north or northeasterly direction, a direct flow from Canada where the wildfires are. So the wind speeds right now around 5 to 15 miles per hour. So that smoke is really settling in over us. For us and northeastern Colorado, we do have an air quality warning. That does go all the way until 11 a.m. tomorrow. So we think that the smoke is going to be pretty thick all the way up until then. We're starting to see some clear skies, especially in the upper atmosphere. Don't really take into account the smoke, though. So from Harrisburg, points off to the north, mainly dry. You would see some sunshine if you could. But in our far southeastern counties, still some showers exiting the viewing area. So from Sydney, Oshkosh points off to the south, just some remnant moisture from Wheatland, Chugwater, the I-25 corridor points off to the west. Everybody else is staying mainly dry. So we had this low pressure system move to the north. The cold front came through yesterday with the strong to severe thunderstorms. The wind flipped around from a southerly flow to that northerly flow we have right now. As more high pressure is working its way in. So we have the smoke over us. As of right now, you saw the surface map with that we have that northerly wind. So we have to make our way 1,500 miles northwest of where we are right now between Edmonton and Yellowknife in Canada. That's where they're having some severe wildfires, and that jet stream with the pattern that it is in right now is going right over the wildfires and pumping it south into our viewing area. So the smoke is starting to settle in over us. The high is actually also starting to settle in over us. So it's really weak winds, so the smoke really has nowhere to go. So it will follow the jet stream. The jet stream will eventually move off to the east, and with it the smoke, and we're going to get more of a southerly wind as we warm up. So we got that advisory all the way until midday tomorrow, then things should start to improve. Other than that, as for cloud cover, we will continue to have partly to mostly cloudy skies until around tomorrow morning. Then we start to clear out. Temperatures for highs tomorrow only into the mid-60s. Now that wind flips around to the south later on to the day, and temperatures going into your Saturday morning will be into the mid-40s. And then as we make our way through the day on Saturday, more sunshine. There's your stronger southerly flow. You see the red arrows. That'll warm us up, and we will finally get back to good air quality. Highs in the valley around 77 into the low to mid-70s as we make your way into the southern panhandle. So that high will actually really start to help us out, get rid of the smoke and warm us up. Lots of sunshine as we go through the weekend, and that southerly flow will last for quite a while as we warm up well into next week. High of 70 for tomorrow, 78 for Saturday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies if you don't account for the smoke. Lower 80s on Sunday and Monday, still mostly sunny. And then our dry pattern comes to an end with more storm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy skies, but highs for midweek next week will be into the low to mid-80s. Travis?
Thanks, Justin. After the surge in weddings last year, research estimates that there will be about 2.2 million ceremonies in 2023.